In this video, I'll show a few things you can scan on the shop floor in your manufacturing operation. You probably already know that you can scan employee names, jobs, and tasks, and you probably know that employee timers start and stop in this manner. Standard Time is a wonderful job tracker. Now I'll show you a whole lot of other things you can scan. In fact, there is a big list on the Standard Time website. Want to see it? Let's start with the menu icon in the icon toolbar on this page. Choose Things to Scan on the shop floor from this pop-up menu. This article from the Standard Time website lists all the things you can scan. Let's take a look. You may be surprised. You probably already know about employee name, ID, job, and task names. Those scans are the basics of job tracking. But you can also scan Completed to stop a timer and mark tasks as complete. That's useful. Or scan Restart Last Job when operators return from lunch to resume jobs they started earlier. You can scan expense templates or inventory names to get time-stamped records of material usage. In fact, there are several inventory scans for various purposes, like adding or deducting from stock. Scan a tool name or script. Set a job or task status for communication between employees and managers. Operators can even add more timers when they are servicing multiple concurrent jobs. Are you juggling a few fabrication or assembly jobs at once? That's what Add Timer is for. And finally, you may have additional scans Standard Time has never even thought of. Add your own unique scans to the system, and operators will be prompted to scan or enter values that are totally unique to your operation. Display those values in dashboards or use them for calculations and KPIs. You can even export them to Excel. All those things can be scanned right here on this page. We encourage you to check out this article often. The list grows regularly. You may find some new scans that fit your production workflow nicely. And let us know if we've forgotten anything. We'll add it to the list.